everyone. If you are looking to link your PostgreSQL database to the C# code using database first approach, this video is for you. So the database first approach is one of the approaches to create an application using an existing database containing tables, columns, relationships. The entity framework is responsible to generate the DB context and entity classes in the C# code. This process is called scaffolding or reverse engineer. So to do this process, we need to install some NuGet packages and run a command line. Here we are using this PostgreSQL database as a sample. It's called OutputDir. It contains only one table called user. It has two columns, username and user password. The first step is to install the appropriate NuGet packages in our .NET project. To do so, we need to use Tools, NuGet Package Manager. In Browse tab, we need to find the Microsoft Entity Framework the Core.Design. Select the appropriate project and install. Microsoft Entity Framework Tools and install it. And since we are using the PostgreSQL database, so we need to install the provider related to this database. We need to install Npgsql. And the provider of the PostgreSQL too, it's like an intermediate between the .NET Entity Framework and the PostgreSQL database. Now that everything is installed successfully, we need to run the command line to generate the scaffolding. After installing the appropriate NuGet packages, now we need to run the Scaffold-DbContext command line to generate the DbContext class and the entity classes in the C# code. To do so, we need to open Tools, Package, NuGet Package Manager console. This is the command. This is the information related to our database. And this is the Npgsql provider. It's the database provider, and OutputDir models. This means that we need to create a models folder. We can obtain the database information from properties. This is the host name, and the username is Postgres, and the database name is OutputDB. And of course, we will use the chosen password. Let's run the command. As you can see, after running this command line, the models folder has been created and the DB context and the table has been generated in the code. The auto-dbcontext.cs and the user.cs. The user table has two columns, the username and the user password, and the auto-dbcontext.cs is communicating with the user table as an entity with its two columns. So I hope that you like it. Thank you for watching.